Hey folks, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the data directory when using the Besu Ethereum client. So in the past we saw that to start Besu we just type the command Besu like so, and what happens is that the default network will be mainnet and a default data directory will be created in the location where Besu lives. In this case, since we use Homebrew, you'll find it in Seller Besu under the version 1.3.8. So let me show you this. Hit enter, and we don't have the database folder here, so a new one will be created and we're up and running. So let me hit Control C to stop this, and to show you that if we want to change the location, all we have to do is specify the data path flag equal to database like so, and what this will do is create a folder called database in my home directory. So here, if I hit enter, you'll see a new folder called database appear. So let's try this. And there you have it. The database folder has been moved to my home directory. So it's quite simple to move. Let me go back. Let's stop this first of all. And let's go ahead and try to change the network. So in the previous video, we learned how we could change the Besu network by using the network flag. Let's go Ropsten, for example. Now, if I hit enter here, look at what happens. It's going to try to connect, but then I get an error. And the reason I get an error is because you can see here, it says the supplied Genesis block does not match the stored chain data. Please specify a different data directory. That's because this data directory here is pointing to mainnet, and if I change it to another network, it doesn't like it. It needs a separate location. So what I'm going to do here is let's go and change the data path and include a suffix. This is usually best practice where I can go Ropsten like so, hit enter. This will work and a new folder called database Ropsten will be created. So what this does is it allows me to separate and identify the network and the database or the blockchain folder that I'm using. So it's really neat. Let me stop this and go ahead, and if I go back to mainnet like so, let's go back and change the suffix to mainnet. And if I hit enter, you'll see a new folder, yes, another one, called a database mainnet being created. So now I can very easily switch different networks and also have a corresponding database blockchain folder as well. So there you have it, how to quickly change the data directory. And the main reason why you want to do this is because this folder is going to get really big because you're synchronizing with the blockchain. So you might want to put it on an external drive or in another drive partition. So being able to change this is super useful. There you have it.